Hey Fanatics, it's RUCHELL Vlog Edition. So for today's video is naami sa So karon Fanatics is mag-eta with this. So tayo pork sisig. So mag-eta. Look at the food. So mag-eta. So at this point guys is nag-deliver ko sa order sa akong friend. Hey Fanatics, so I am here at Jollibee. Look at that. Kanina part guys is niad to Miss Jollibee para mag-order og dinner for my mom. Then kani guys is nagpay na ko sa akong order. While waiting sa order, nagchika sa mi sa akong friend. At this point guys, is gakuha na ko sa ako ang order. Here na part is nibalik na ko sa Boulevard. And look guys, daghan kayog tao sa Boulevard. For today's Fanatics, that's all my vlog for today. So I'm going to end that. Goodbye.